Welcome to Google Drive Search Optimization.
Discover quick tips and tricks to find your files faster in Google Drive. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, learning how to use powerful search features can save you hours of digging through folders. Let's explore how you can unlock the full potential of Google Drive's search.
Mastering basic search in Google Drive.
Start with the basics. To quickly find a file, type keywords from the document's title or content into the top search bar. Google Drive instantly shows matching results. For best results, use specific names or details you remember. Even partial words can help narrow down the list and lead you to what you need efficiently.
Using advanced search operators.
Refine your results with search operators. Try commands like type PDF to show only PDF files, or OMR-me to see files you own. You can also combine terms such as report type docx to drill down further. These filters help you quickly sift through hundreds of files.
Filtering by dates and file types.
Speed up searches by using filters. Click the filter icon in the search box to select file types like documents, spreadsheets, or images. Set a date range to find files created or modified within specific periods. These filters are excellent for locating recent work or aging projects.
Searching by people and shared files.
Find files shared by or with specific people. Enter someone's email address or name in the search bar to see files they've shared with you or that you've shared with them. This approach is especially useful for team projects or when tracking down collaborative documents.
Organize and save time with starred and recent files.
Boost efficiency with starred and recent files. Mark important files with a star for quick access later, or visit the Recent section to see your latest activity. These built-in shortcuts, combined with search tricks, make Google Drive a powerful tool for productivity.